welcome to the Storytime Train. Subscribe to enjoy more books read aloud.
Woodpecker Wants a Waffle, written and illustrated by Steve Breen. One morning, Benny awoke to the best tummy rumbling smell. So off he flew to investigate. W-A-F-F-L-E, he read. What in the world is a waffle? The waffles smelled good. The waffles looked good. The waffles must taste good too, thought Benny. I want waffles, Benny declared. Benny politely pecked on the front door. Tap, tap, tap. But instead of waffles, he got the boot. Bap! Next, he tried to sneak in. But instead of waffles, Benny got swept away. Flop! Benny tried a number of creative disguises. But instead of waffles, he was tossed in the trash. Swoosh! What are you doing? Asked Bunny. I am wishing for waffles, said Benny. The animal started laughing. That is ridiculous, Bunny said. One by one, the other animals chimed in. Frogs don't eat fries, Ribbit. Moose don't eat muffins. Raccoons don't eat ravioli. Lizards don't eat lasagna. Owls don't eat oatmeal. Chipmunks don't eat cheeseburgers. Bears don't eat bagels. Turtles don't eat turnovers. Skunks don't eat scones. Hawks don't eat hot dogs. Coyotes don't eat cupcakes. Snakes don't eat snow cones. And woodpeckers don't eat waffles. Well, why not? Benny asked. Why not? The animals grumbled, chirped, croaked, and whispered. They thought and thought and thought and thought. Because I said so, said Bunny. I really don't have time for this said-so nonsense, Benny said impatiently. Benny got right to work devising a plan to get some waffles. First, I will shoot out of a cannon. Boom! Then hit the ground juggling. Then moonwalk and breakdance, followed by a stand-up comedy act with a Broadway-style finale featuring fireworks. The animals were speechless, though Benny was sure he heard some snickering. See you all tomorrow. Don't be late. The next morning, the animals gathered in the field by the diner to catch Benny's big show. No one was late. No one except Benny. As the animals waited patiently for Benny to arrive, the waitress in the diner noticed something odd. The customers noticed something strange too. Everyone at the diner stepped outside to look at the animals. That's when Benny made his move. Sweet, said Benny. The end.
Thanks for riding the Storytime Train. Please subscribe for more reading adventures.